Welcome back to our channel. In our previous videos, we explored everything about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A36. Now let's shift our focus to another exciting device, the Galaxy A56, and discuss what we know so far based on leaks and rumors. While details about the Galaxy A56 are still emerging, many speculate that it will share some similarities with its predecessor, particularly regarding performance and design. The device might feature an upgraded processor, likely an Exynos chipset, an impressive camera setup similar to that of other flagship models, enhanced battery life with fast charging capabilities. These features could position it as a strong competitor against other mid-range devices on the market. Now let's address a common question among my US-based viewers: will the Galaxy A56 be launched in the United States? Based on current leaks and rumors, it seems that like its predecessor, the Galaxy A55, it might not make it to US shores. However, there's still hope. The Galaxy A36 has a better chance of being available in the US market since last year's model was released there. As we await more information about both devices leading up to their launches, it's clear that Samsung continues to innovate within its mid-range lineup. What are your thoughts on whether you prefer an A56 over an A36? Let me know in those comments below. If you enjoyed this video or found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech news and updates. Thanks for watching, see you next time. Feel free to adjust any segments or details as needed.